It's growing more heads.
That does it for Spectreman.
Yes, Carlos. Rats are very quick to sense imminent danger, and they react ferociously. Yes, human beings rule out all the lesser animals. They ignore the potential, but not rats. They know better. Rats make good use of the filth, the refuse, the waste of human civilization, and they have my deepest respect, Carlos. That's why I've created this creature, Carlos. A giant two-headed rat, vitalized by pollution, virtually indestructible. And he will surely help me dominate these earth defilers.
He's your best monster, Doctor. I bow to your great genius. He's the greatest.
Yes, he's the greatest. He's got incredible powers and great speed. And he can destroy. But Spectreman is another story. He needs a sophisticated and super powerful weapon.
Uh-oh, Doc!
That terrible monster rat. Do you think he has George? Shh.
Look at the girl.
Yes, forget about the girl, Carlos. What is the matter with the boy? He looks gravely ill. Could it be my rats? Yes. Of course. I was a fool not to have thought of that before.
I don't think we can chance crossing the river.
No, it's too deep and the current is too strong.
That's right, I think it's much too deep.
We've got to find some way to get across. They're alone with that creature.
Hello? Anybody there?
Where'd that come from? Somewhere down there.
How do we get across? Is there a bridge there?
Yeah, head upstream and you'll find it.
A bridge? You hear that, Chief, huh? It's okay, we're headed there. Some bridge this thing is. Looks slippery. Careful. Shaky, too.
Steady now. Easy. Are you all right?
He's hurt, Chief.
I'm going to camp. I sprained my ankle.
Are you stationed here? What's going on here, anyway?
A monster. A big monster rat.
Look, it's George's car. Car's a mess. No sign. Rita!
George!
George!
Are you looking for friends?
Yes, and I sure hope they're all right.
Spectreman, arise. There is much to be done. Prepare to reactivate.
George!
George!
Oh, thank heavens you're all right. I was worried sick.
Where'd that giant rat go?
George! Rita! Arthur!
Chief, we're over here!
Boy, am I glad
over
to see
here,
them.
Chief! Isn't it awful the Chief and John Boy have to walk?
Now, don't you worry, little Rita. The Chief can use a little exercise.
Arthur, I bet you need it more than he does.
So quiet, huh? I'll take you on any time.
Help! The monster's coming.
He's dreaming, that's all.
Do you think he has an infectious disease?
Well, rats often spread disease. We'll get him to the hospital as quickly as possible. Then we'll find out if it's contagious or not.
Look out, Dad! The monster will get us. It'll be all right. Just relax. Nothing's gonna hurt you. It's gonna be all right. Okay?
Oh, boss, I gotta stop and rest. I'm finished, really.
Come on, you act like an old man.
So what are you, Superman or something? I'm beat. Come on.
Look, the monster's coming.
Huh?
Well, I really swallowed the bait, didn't I?
You not only walked, you ran.
Yeah, I guess I did.
You just take it easy. We'll run into that thicket when I give the word. Now. He didn't see us, John.
He sure can fly fast. I'll bet he could catch up with a car.
You're right.
Spectreman, your colleagues need your help. The two-headed abomination is approaching you. He will be upon you in seconds. You must prepare to transform. Find the way, Spectreman. It is urgent.
Stop the...
George, what's wrong?
That rat giant's after us. He's going to get us. Stop the car. I have to get out.
I don't see any monster, and I don't hear anything either.
Here it comes. Whoa! Let me out. Get going, Otto.
All right. I'll show that rodent some poetry in motion.
He seems to be following us. You're right, officer. He spotted us.
Look, the bridge is gone.
Well, I can see that.
Watch out, the road.
I also see that.
That's better. I think we've shaken it off.
Ah! It's the rat.
Up there. Come on. Come on. Quick.
This way, George.
Let me go. You're delirious.
He's feverish.
Don't worry. We'll take care of you.
Settle down, George.
Come on. Hurry.
Issue this command. Lead the death-dealing rodent to the capital, my loyal general. He'll take care of the rest with his germs and insatiable, bloodthirsty appetite. We will turn these earthlings into believers yet. Go.
Now, here we go. Let's see now. To the capital.
I talked to his older brother. He's willing to take care of him. Will he ever get over this experience?
Chief! Chief, the monster!
Quiet.
It's him again. The monster rat.
What? Where is he now?
Well, he was last seen at the railway station at the edge of town.
He's very close to
You can already see him from the roof.
Come on, let's go look. Hey, let me go. Untie me. Untie me.
You need a good rest, and you're going to get it whether you like it or not.
No, don't go. Untie me.
See? There.
He's flying.
We could use Spectreman now.